Let us examine the general motion of football moving through the air. Any object that is in flight after being thrown or projected is called a projectile. The paths which object follow is its trajectory. The velocity vector v at each instant points in the direction of the ball's motion at that instant and is always tangent to the path. As projectile motion is a two-dimensional motion, so the velocity v resolves into two components, vx and vy, which can be added vectorially to obtain v. Because of the downward acceleration of gravity, vy continually decreases until the object reaches the highest point on its path, at which vy is 0. The vy starts to increase in the downward direction. As before, vx remains constant. The total time in which the projectile is in flight is called its time of flight, whereas the horizontal distance travelled by the projectile during its flight is called range.